Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna showcase you some beautiful premium segment dupatta collections. You're gonna see some 𝐂𝐻𝐿𝐴 fabric also. Apart from that, some beautiful netwear concepts and some beautiful bridal wear concepts also you will see in this video. Guys, our Kesaria Textile Company is one of the leading manufacturing brand or company in Surat, which is situated in Millennium Textile Market at Ring Road. We manufactured since 1977, we manufactured a fabric, and some previous years we manufactured complete range and varieties of ladies wears. With it that from beautiful some lehengas, kurtis, gowns, some beautiful bridal heavy work sarees. Apart from that, some cotton silk collection sarees also. So guys, from 20 to 25 different items, one of our sections, dupatta sections, we are arrived now. So guys, in this video I'm going to showcase some beautiful collections. So start the video. My only request is to watch the video from start to till the end. These kind of beautiful kind of sequencized work you will get. See, talking about the fabric concept, 𝐂𝐻𝐿𝐴 fabric concepts, and apart from this, some sequencized work and these kind of very beautifully threading work you will get in this kind of concepts also. And next one, see, these are very popular in northern region of India like Rajasthan, Gujarat. These kind of concepts are very highly wearable. Talking about, it's not possible to cover all the ranges which I'm showing in this dupattas. Let me know you the starting range. Starting range will be 19 rupees. From 19 rupees you will get these kind of poly rayon concepts. This kind of barcode system we will apply it here. Price will be fixed. There will be no changes in price according to your face value, or either you will be a wholesaler, trader or retailer, either you will be a customer's. Because price range will be same for all of them. These kind of unique poly rayon concepts you will get in this kind of concepts. See, fully borderly this kind of golden work you will get, and apart from that, some beautifully fabric you will get in this kind of concepts. Talking about the fabric in these kind of concepts, upon the net you will get this kind of fully golden zari concept with beautifully embroidery work you will get. And talking about the net you will get, let me know you, single pieces you will not get. This kind of concept you will get in 6 to 7 different color shades in each of designs. So guys, many of our comments are there that what will be the minimum amount to purchase. There will be no limit to have the business in a minimum amount. You will purchase in a 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. There will be limitless. So guys, now is the perfect time to start your own business. The festival is going to become that some beautiful occasional also become Bakra Eid, Muharram. These kind of festivals or occasions will become. According to that, these kind of we are manufacture scarf also. Scarves and this kind of concept. Talking about the color will be black, some beautiful golden zaried work embroidery beautiful get, and according to that, these kind of very beautifully bordered threading work also you will get in these kind of concepts also. In these kind of designs or concepts you will get 6 to 7 different color shades, and talking about the range and product value will be the best and minimum range. And guys, if you are new in this kind of textile industry field, then also our well experienced salesperson will give you a perfect guidance according to your region in any of your abroad or foreign. Many of our foreign abroad customers are there, which are mainly from Germany, Australia, Berlin. These are the places which are going to be customers are come. First of all, they will visit and purchase, and after all, they just give their orders from the WhatsApp only. So guys, if you are new to our company, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications about our videos. In just go and subscribe our channel and check out all the videos I'm gonna updated in about our company, about our business idea, about our motto and vision, all the clear guidance about whatever the company we have, all the necessary information I will put on this on this channel. So you're gonna be subscribed and check it out. So guys, next one, these kind of beautiful colored patterns. See, beautiful sequenced work you will get. Apart from that, some beautiful golden zari work also you will get. See, this kind of work patties in lace also you will get in this kind of concepts. Let me know you that any kind of defective or damages is not there in our product. If it is, then you can exchange also. And still the product will be delivered. All the responsibility is ours. See, these kind of very beautiful concept in dupatta you will say. See, simple and sober with a beautiful perfect match for the occasional purposes. Talking about the fabric will be, you will get light net jal type of concepts you will get. And apart from that, these kind of very beautifully mirror work also you will get in these kind of concepts. Yeah, in this type of concepts you will have some 6 to 7 different color shades also. And next one, these kind of concepts. See, these kind of fully flowered threading work, and apart from that, some beautiful sequenced work, and you're gonna be notice these kind of threading work also designing. See, all the collections, these kind of beautiful sequenced work you will get in these collections. See, there is not be any single cheating or fraudulent about our company, because we are interest to earn not money. We are interest to earn customers like you. So guys, our own main motive is that customers will be repeat. Yes, customer will be repeat, because we both have to coordinate according to our business and grow our business with whatever the possible way or in a positive manner. And in last, you will get these kind of bridal wear concepts also. See, these kind of heavy bridal wear concepts also you will get. Talking about the whole body fabric will be in net, and beautiful golden zari and some small stones are sticked very beautifully you will get in this kind of concepts. And some beautiful, talking about the border, beautiful border you will get in these kind of concepts. See, all the regional beautiful taste will be here only. So guys, if you are interested, then please have the call on the screen available number. There is just, if you have to earn knowledge about this kind of textile industry, then also you can call the screen available number. They will give you the complete guidance about our company. So guys, if any of your queries will be left, then please know in our comment sections. Give your precious opinions, reviews or feedbacks in our comment sections. Our online team will be replied to you. So guys, till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.